Welcome back to a sunny episode of Retro Legends, and I'm in the Escort heading to the jet wash because we've got to clean this little stinker off. We've just had a mega thunderstorm, and it's covered my car in crap. So we're going to go wash it off, and then I've got a product to put on and test, see if it's any good. It cost me a small fortune. So join me, shall we? Right, to the jet wash. Right, see the state of this. The Sahara dust. It's on there. So let's get this off, get this cleaned. I mean, look at it. Look. It's on there. Look. It's filthy. Stinker. That's it. Right, let's get washing. Right, that's that done. Note to self: shut the windows in future. Idiot. Right, to the garage. To the small garage, not the big garage. We're gonna do this old school. Outdoors. Before the sun sets. Let's go. Let's go. First thing first, we need to get this water off quick. So, job for the chamois, the microfiber chamois. Whoopsie. Right, I'll bring you back when this is done. Right, so I'm at the small garage. I've just chamoised it off. Sun is low. It's probably the perfect time to put this ceramic stuff on. and then let it set, not in direct sunlight. But yeah, we're gonna get some coat on there. I know it looks shiny and clean, but it really isn't. So I'll show you the product. Right, so this is the product from the Fords of Hal, and this was 30 quid. Not sponsored, so if it's crap, I'm gonna say it's crap. If it's good, I'll say it's good. But it's chemical, guys. Hydro Slick ceramic coating kit, and it comes with this stuff. Year-round protection, apparently. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's all the spiel. So we're gonna give it a go. Pretty straightforward directions. 4 to 5 pea-sized dots onto the little pad. Yada yada yada. Thin coat across. Yeah. Let stand for 30 seconds. It's done. Right, okay. It's not the one I wanted, but it's the one we got. And because we're going to be at the West Cornwall Family Motor Show on the weekend, over at Wendron Cricket Club, we need to get this shined up. Yes, right. Let's get to it. Right, so we've got another microfiber cloth. Stuff. And a thing. Right. Looks like quite a lot, to be honest. We'll see how we get on. Right, let's get to it. So, I am going to time lapse this, but let's just give it a little test patch. Oh. Smells like petrol. Blobs. Right, let's get the microfiber cloth, leave that 30 seconds and I'll be right back. Right, it's been about 30 seconds. It does feel super smooth. Very smooth. It feels smooth. Let me bring you in for a look. I mean, yeah, it looks shiny. I guess time will tell. I mean, you can see the line. There is a line. Oh, you won't be able to see it. but I can make out just a faint line going there. I've got sunglasses on. But the sun is shining. Okay, yeah, let's carry on. What I'll do is a time lapse, and I'll bring you in for the results. Right, let's have a little look around, and shall we? Because it is undoubtedly put a shine on this car. It hasn't hidden the blemishes because I don't think it's the right type of ceramic that I wanted. Let's get out of the sun. But yeah, it's shiny and it feels glossy. That's better. Yeah, I'll do the wheels and the windows on the morning once I get up to Wendron. But yeah, I'm going to put it in the garage. I'm going to swap these over, get this ready, and then I'll leave it there until Sunday morning. And then she'll be up at the show if I take it. I'm still not sure which one I'm going to take, but it'll probably be this. Yeah, but I've used probably just that much there, so that was full. So it says it's year-round protection, but it doesn't say if that's year-round as in this bottle will last a year, or whether the whole what I just did. Right, let's swap these cars around. Right, I'm gonna pull this one out. Gonna pull it out, swap them around. This one gonna have to go on the driveway and get covered in dust tonight. So yes, what do we reckon? What do we reckon on this then? Is it good? I think it is, but time will tell. I'll do an update on how long that's lasted and what it's like in the rain. But was it worth 30 quid? Again, time will tell. I think after this one I'll find the one. It was the one I wanted was £60, but they didn't have. And I think that is more of a resin that a clear resin that you drip on and spread. That's what I wanted. But this will have to do, and we'll see what it's like. Hopefully you'll be able to see it yourself on Sunday. I'll put the details below in the description for that as well. But yes, right. There she is. Let's get it in, out of the dust. Let's go.
chérie. Flamme, on rêve sur les quais. Oh yeah. Les étoiles nous guideront, c'est parfait. Alors chante avec moi, prends ma main. Oh yeah. Laisse-toi aller, oublie le demain. L'amour et la joie, c'est notre refrain. Paris la nuit, c'est notre terrain. On danse et on court tous ensemble. Oh yeah. La musique nous emporte, on tremble. Les nuits sont longues, jamais tu t'ennuies. Oh yeah. Dans les rues de Paris, on s'épanouit.
Stinky. Right. That's her tucked all nicely away. Ready for Sunday. And that'll be a separate video on the day. Hopefully see you there. Come and say hi, like you usually do. Yep. There she is. Right. Let's get in the other car. Right. Let's go home. AC, please. Thank you. It's still disgustingly hot. Mirrors check, cross check. Let's go. Right, see you guys Sunday. Check the description below for times and location. I'll see you then. Bye.